Hello, ladies. This is Dr. Peter Rassicot. We are in week 4 in our Introduction to Philosophy. Congratulations. I'm glad you've made it this far. We're studying this week about, is there a God? Is there a God? That's a question that a lot of philosophers have asked. First, I thought I'd begin with a movie review, because this is going to be time consuming for you because you have to watch the movie and then you have to analyze some philosophical ideas and then write your 800 to 1,000 word paper. It says, explain the philosophical ideas contained in this film. In your review, relate this film to some of the philosophers we've studied so far. Show how their ideas are introduced in the plot. So you need to think back to the philosophers that we've already studied and try and relate them to the film that you're going to be watching. These are the choices that you have: Blade Runner, The Name of the Rose, Matrix, that's my favorite, but you can watch whichever one you choose, Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind, Crash, Into the Wild, and finally a documentary called Examined Life. From the rubric, I wanted to point out 3 areas. These 3 areas are worth 30 points apiece. So first of all, it says identify philosophical ideas in the movie and compare them to each other. Secondly, recognize 3 or more thinkers in Western philosophy by identifying similarities and differences between them. Thirdly, explain, examine, and defend one philosophical idea from the movie. So it should be a movie that you enjoy watching, because you're going to have to really think through it, maybe even take notes as you're going along, and think hard about the movie. I also want to talk for a moment about the required readings. Anselm of Canterbury, Ludwig Feuerbach, Sigmund Freud, and Martin Buber. Each one of these readings is fairly short, so that's good. You'll need to have extra time to devote to the movie. Just a little bit of a side note here. I would say that question number 4 on Freud is probably the easiest of the 4 questions. But read whatever you like and go from there and send it in. And I look forward to your essays this week. Hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you.